Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and come join the Crypto ZX army. But now, let's get right in today's topic. We are going to be discussing everything Fantom today, FTM, what's going on, where is the price going in the immediate short term. A lot of exciting things are happening with the price of Fantom right now. So if you are a holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. Before I jump into today's topic, you guys already know, if you don't know, yesterday I did kind of miss out a video because I am not feeling too well. Obviously there's like a flu going on right now, so I think I caught that. But I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys who came out and saw my post and wished me a fast recovery. And I just want to say from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you guys that commented down there really means the world to me, and it continues to motivate me to make more and more videos for you guys. You guys are like a family, so continue supporting me and I will continue bringing these updates for you guys. Once again, thank you so much. Now let's get right in today's topic. Looking at the price of Fantom right now, once again seeing a massive explosions happening within the price. It's up 12.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 11% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're moving our focus towards the market cap is currently sitting at $1.35 billion. But look what's happening with the buying pressure. The overall volume in the last 24 hours has increased quite a bit, but which should not be coming as a surprise for any one of us. But one thing that I really want you guys to keep in mind is, look, in the last 30 days, FTM is up 165%. Yes, you heard that right. So now let's get right into the exciting stuff, the price. What is happening with the price and where are we going in the immediate short term? Obviously, that is something that everyone wants to know right now. But as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we're bringing out the measuring tool from all-time highs, we still are down from all-time highs about 85% for FTM, which is a very impressive. And now you may be saying, Crypto ZX, why is that impressive? Because if we're still looking at majority, I'm not saying all, if we're still looking at majority of the cryptocurrencies around the board, they're still down 90 to 95% from all-time highs. Yes, you heard that correct. And this, we're seeing FTM making massive moves, which I did project just yesterday. I'm sorry, the day before yesterday when I uploaded the FTM update. And I also had a poll on my Twitter channel. A lot of people are saying that FTM is going to be the top performer this coming bull cycle, especially this month. So let's see what happens. But one thing I wanted to share with you guys, look, what did I say last time? I said we might find ourselves a little bit of a resistance around that wick and we will see a price movement. And as a matter of fact, we have seen FTM retest some prices that we have not seen since May of last year. And now you guys can see a little bit of a resistance once again coming in. You cannot make this up, that this is exactly where we're sitting at, around that 53.4 cents mark, which is a level of resistance that not only dates back to last year, but it also dates back, if you guys can look, August of 2021. And I believe if we clear that, we are back to this massive level of resistance, which I communicated with you guys in my previous video, around that 61.36 cents. I'm personally projecting that we might see something like this happen for that. We might go up here, kind of a little bit of a retracement, which obviously is to be expected because these level of resistances are extremely important. And you guys can see for yourself right here, this level of resistance, to be quite frank with you guys, goes all the way back to like February 25th of 2021. And we've seen this play out so many times. And rejection right here as well, another rejection, and we might find ourselves having a little bit of a resistance play out here for us because it's a massive level of resistance. But as I say that, if the buying pressure is large enough, I really think FTM can explode back above this level of resistance, which would mark a historic, price movement in my personal opinion, because then I really do believe prices are about to start headed back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we could see the price as such as $1 come sooner rather than later. A lot of exciting things are happening. A lot of people are very optimistic on FTM's future, especially in the next bull cycle, and I've shared with you guys on my channel. I always like sharing this. You know, the reason as to why I like sharing what I'm about to share with you guys is to kind of give you guys an you know, the importance of holding and believing in a project's vision early on. I got in FTM extremely early on. I had millions and millions worth of coins, not dollars worth of coins, millions of coins, and this was way below a penny. But guess what? I did make some gains off of it, like maybe 2 to 3x. That's about it. And you know, last year when we were seeing prices go absolutely insane, me and an old crypto friend that, you know, was also a massive FTM believer still held some of his position, and he became extremely successful off FTM. And you know, we just look back at that and say, oh man, you know, me personally, I specifically think if I held my FTM, I would have been driving a Lamborghini right now. But again, this is just to tell you guys, you know, if you truly believe in a project's vision, guess what? Patience is your #1 key to follow. And also, as long as you have done your due diligence and research and invested what you can afford to lose, then like I've said, patience is the #1 key to follow. Because if we're going to be looking at the charts on a daily basis, you know, that's not worthwhile. Obviously in a bull market, when things are going insane, yes, you know, it makes sense. But you don't want to be glued to the charts. I'm telling you guys, because I've been in the markets for a long time, and I really am telling you it's not worth it. But FTM is looking quite well, even in BTC comparative. As I've said, it's up 11%. Look what's happening with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's seeing a little bit of retracement, you know, obviously, which is to be expected. We're going to see people come out here and say, oh, Bitcoin is done, blah, blah, blah. But come on, Bitcoin has been killing it since this year started. So obviously some sort of cool off is going to be needed before we continue this upwards trend. We're above $22,000. I'm extremely bullish on the markets, as you guys already know. But you know, the reason as to what I'm trying to say is that, you know, FTM has been outperforming BTC, which is definitely a positive sign to look at right now. But if we're going on staking rewards, guys, you guys can see FTM, 50% of the market cap is staked right now, meaning people are staking it. So I would strongly encourage, if you guys are a long-term believer, you think FTM is going to be way higher compared to where it's at now, then you know what, stake your FTM tokens. The beauty of this is you earn passive income, and it kind of stops you from selling it. You know, if you believe in the project, you know, obviously sometimes people tend to sell it. This is the best way to kind of not have that happen. Kind of stake it, earn passive income, and you know, make your holdings bigger as time goes by. That's something I strongly encourage you guys to do. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, and are you guys enjoying these videos? I really appreciate all your guys' support. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.